To give a customer a great experience, it needs to be convenient, consistent, and personalized across all touchpoints, channels, and devices. But above all, it needs to have trust at its core. However, earning your customers' trust is easier said than done. Customers will leave a business if their trust is broken, with 80% of consumers globally saying they've left a brand because their data was used without their knowledge or permission. Consumer data protection and privacy laws, such as GDPR, the European Union's General Data Protection Regulation, have broadly restricted how businesses can collect and use personal data.
So, just how can a business that engages with its audience across multiple channels and touchpoints walk that fine line addressing regulations while still engaging meaningfully with its customers? SAP Customer Data Cloud from Gigya is a portfolio of cloud software solutions designed to help you achieve this delicate balance. You can use these solutions to manage capabilities from authentication, consent and preferences, to customer profiles across your entire digital ecosystem. Our solutions help you identify and engage customers across channels and devices, build trusted customer relationships based on transparency and control, and power trusted digital experiences with first-party data.
Let's start with the digital doorways to your business. The SAP Customer Identity Solution provides flexible registration and authentication customizable to your specific needs, so you can welcome visitors on any device or platform with consistent, secure, and intuitive registration or login experiences. With it, you can create a frictionless, customizable experience across brands, channels, and devices, with secure registration and social authentication screens. Securely identified online visitors from any touchpoint with federation standards, single sign-on functionality, and risk-based, multi-factor, and passwordless authentication options. And capture customers' permission-based data to power personalized in-moment experiences while respecting consumer privacy and addressing data protection regulations.
Now, let's look at how the SAP Customer Consent Solution helps you build trust through enterprise preference and consent management. With this, your business can demonstrate total transparency in how you attain, record, and manage consent requests. You can engage with customers on their terms throughout their relationship with your business through an intuitive self-service preference center in line with regulatory requirements.
For proficient data management, the SAP Customer Profile Solution helps you progressively build rich, unified customer profiles to fuel more intelligent marketing, sales, and product programs with first-party data. You can unify customer data within a fully indexed database and manage profiles and account status across your business. From just one central location, you can analyze all your customer accounts, gain a deeper understanding of your audience, and drive more accurate segmentation.
SAP Customer Profile gives your organization a comprehensive view of each customer to confidentially create trusted, personalized experiences for them. And rest assured, this data is consistent across your customer engagement channels, including SAP Marketing Cloud and SAP Commerce Cloud solutions. With integrated capabilities in SAP Customer Data Cloud, you can deliver personalized digital experiences to your customers in line with their needs, wants, and preferences across touchpoints of their ongoing journey with your business.
Find out more about how you can build trusted, value-driven customer relationships, protect your business, and stand out in a crowded and fast-paced market.